Hello viewers, welcome to RBP Cricket Online. Today's topic is about throw bowling or chuck bowling as you call it. Okay, so what is chuck bowling? How to judge it? I'll tell you in today's video. So first of all, when you see someone bowling with a bent arm, you usually assume that he is bowling a chuck or a throw, and it's a illegal bowling action. But it's not so. I'll tell you why. So as per the rules, ICC says that you can have a flexibility of bending your arm till 15 degrees. Now what is 15 degree? How do they do it? Let us see that. So what it says is when your arm reaches your shoulder level when you're bowling, okay, from there how much your elbow is bent, this how much it's bent, and from where you release, they will see from the shoulder level till the release level how much the arm is bent, and that's how they calculate the 15 degree angle. So the 15 degree angle is this elbow bend. From here, if it's some degree, and then when it reaches the release point, they again calculate that, and that's how they come to the conclusion whether the person is bowling chuck or not. So let's take two examples here so that it will help you to understand better. The example one here is, let's assume this guy's bowling action, the elbow is bent 0, okay, at a shoulder level. At a shoulder level it is 0, and at the release angle, let's check. Now let's assume that his shoulder is bent another like 10 degree or so. Okay, so if it's from here till here is 10 degree, which is lesser than what you call 15 degree, that means he cannot be called as a chuck bowler or a throw bowler. So it's a safe action, it's not an illegal action. So let's take a second example. Second example here, if you see this angle, see this elbow, it's already bent. It's bent at 17. Let's assume it's bent at 17 degrees. So 17 degrees, you might think that it's already bent, it's a throw ball. Definitely it will be a throw ball, but it's not the case. So how is when the shoulder reaches the throwing level? Now if you see the angle at which it's bent, it's 18 degrees. Now let's assume it's 18 degrees. From 17 degrees till the ball reaches the release point, it's 18 degrees. So it's only a difference of 1 degree. That means this is also not a throw bowling or not an illegal bowling action. So what does this tell us is that you can also bowl with a bent arm. Okay, so you can bowl with a bent arm. So at the shoulder level, if it's bent, make sure it's at the same bent angle when you're releasing the ball, and if it's straight, make sure it's straight there also. Okay, so that is the rule. So if it's bent, do not make it straight, and if it's straight, do not bend it while releasing the ball. So that's the rule. I hope you understood, and if you still have doubts, please let me know in the comments, and that's it. See you in our next video. Bye bye.